Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I am going to do a video. I am doing my makeup, as you see, and I just got through doing the foundation look, and that will be going up either before or after this one. I'm not really sure how I'm going to put them up because I've got to get my box videos done first. But I went through my lipsticks trying to find one that I had not used yet to give you all a first impression, and I got my Girlactik in the color Sweet and Blossom. It's got one on each end. This is another thing that I'm pretty sure I got from the Fashionista, the box. Pretty sure I got that. And I really like this because I'm not good at making an ombre look yet, but this would be really good at making an ombre look. So this will probably be a very short video. I'm going to use the Illamasqua lip pencil in the color Lust. And these pencils aren't my absolute favorite, but they're definitely not my worst either. I hate doing lip videos because you can't really talk and do your lips, and I know several of y'all have commented that you like the videos because I talk and don't leave dead space. And I do try to be as entertaining as possible and talk with y'all. Y'all are my friends. But it is definitely hard to put on, especially lip liner. I should have done my blush one first. I usually do, but so that. I think I will do the darker shade, which is Blossom, around. I'm going to try to do a little bit of an ombre look. Well, maybe not, because this is much more. It is very pigmented, very creamy. I've only tried an ombre look once and it looked really crazy. But like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just somebody who likes to play around with makeup and likes to share what I try and share it with y'all. And that is the color Sweet. Let me try this a little bit again. blend it in a little bit. You know, the funny thing is, I never really thought dark colors looked good on me. I've always wore lighter colors, but I don't know if it's because I've gotten older. But darker colors, I think, definitely look better on me now. There, what do y'all think? I used a little bit of both and tried to do a little bit of ombre, but what do y'all think? I think, and some of y'all have mentioned the darker colors looking better on me. I think for some reason they do. I really wish my lips were fuller, because lip products are one of my favorite makeup products, but I just don't feel like I can really look right, because as I've gotten older, I've always had thin lips, but as I've gotten older, they've gotten thinner, and I would like to get just a tiny bit of something done to just so the top, at least the top lip, wasn't so thin. I don't really have lip lines yet, but I'm sure that is just around the corner. And I know they do have just some kind of thing where they just help plump out the lip lines so that you don't have lip lines, and it gives a little bit of volume. So there is that. What do y'all think? Again, that is it's Girlactik in the color Blossom and Sweet, and it has a one on each end. I think that is really cool. And I used the Illamasqua lip liner in the color Lust. I think is what it was. Yep, I used that. So that is what I used. Do y'all like that on me? Which color do you think looks better? The darker one or the lighter one? That's the lighter one. I put it in the center, and then most of it is this darker one. So there is that. That is my first impression. I do like that. I would purchase more of those in different colors. It is very matte. I do like more of a glossy look, but I like the staying power of the matte. Let me get a piece of his school paper here and see. It's been on for, a couple of minutes now. That is all that came off in just that quick a time. So there is that. And I'm going to get to my next video. I love you guys. And remember to please click the thumbs up button for me. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.